Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tanya Seth, and this video I'll be creating this beautiful and gorgeous look for this Diwali season. So Diwali is something that we wait for the entire year, and I know it's been a tough year guys, but let's get all dressed up this Diwali and let's get more dressed up than ever, and just be positive and be excited for the coming year and end this year on a really good note. So this one's a dewy makeup look that I will be creating. So let me just quickly brief you about it. It's going to be a glowy makeup look. We're not going to go for anything matte. It's going to be shimmery and shiny and glossy. Let's get started, and I hope you guys like my video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share it as much as you can with your friends, girlfriends, so that they can get all beautiful and dressed up this Diwali season. So we're gonna start by applying a primer. This is the Maybelline Master Primer, and perfect for reddish skin. It works great on my skin. I do not take a lot of it. I apply a very little amount of primer on my skin, and this works wonders. So what we're going to do for creating a glowy makeup is we are going to use a foundation. This is my Fit Me foundation, and I'll be listing down all the products in the description for you guys. And we're gonna mix it with a highlighter or an illuminator if you guys don't have one, and if you have an eyeshadow palette which has a golden or a nude kind of a color with shimmer in it, so you can do the same thing with that. And if you guys do not have anything, then what you can use is simply use a Vaseline with the foundation, and it's going to work. The same trick is going to work for you guys. So what we're going to do is that we're first going to apply a little bit of this stick. Now this is what this is the Sugar highlighter stick that I'm using, and it's kind of, as you can see, this is a warm highlighter stick, and that's what I want. I want a warm dewy makeup look. You guys can go for a silverish look as well. So I have applied it on my hands, and I'm going to pour my foundation. So I do not use a lot of foundation, but yeah, you're gonna pour and we're gonna mix it. So that's what you're gonna do, and this is actually going to give a very shimmery sort of look to the foundation. And now I'm gonna apply it over my face. See, I feel that for this trick, brush is the perfect thing, but if you guys want, you can actually go on and use a beauty blender as well. For the brows, you can go for any brow pencil. So this is a gel liner that I use. It's quite old, and I use it for my eyebrows. So that's what I do. Okay, so next we will be using the concealer. Very little bit of amount of it, really light, and I am just going to apply it on these corners, and I am going to use that same brush that I applied the foundation with. So you guys can see how much difference that highlighter mixing with foundation has created. It has given a glowing skin and not just that simple foundation look that usually is created. And now next we're gonna have a dewy kind of shiny and glossy look over my eyes. So start and I am using the 24K Nudes Maybelline palette. So this has some beautiful shades, as you can see, and what I'm thinking of using are the silver and the golden ones. These are some pretty shades that are going to go with my outfit as well. So yeah, and recently I came across this trick that I really wanted to share with you guys to get a more pigmented kind of color on your eyes. What you can do is that you can take a makeup fixer. I'm using the Swiss Beauty makeup fixer, which works pretty well on my skin, and it's like really affordable, so you can go for it. And you just spray a little bit amount of it on your brush so that it gets a little wet. Yeah, and then you take the colors and you start blending them. So we have decided to create a shimmery look, and that's why first of all let's create the base for this. And I'm taking these lighter shades. So I'm going to take this color and apply it. From outside. You might even use your hands, guys, I feel. And next I'm going to use this silver color and apply it over here. Keep on blending, guys, because otherwise the look is not going to be as good. And to finish it off, I'm going to apply this Maybelline gel liner. So this one's a new one. The one that I use for the brows is the old one, so don't get confused, guys. And we're gonna apply the liner. I've kept it really light. We're gonna finish it off with a glossy lipstick, so no need to keep your eyes heavy. Finishing it off with a mascara. So I hardly use my eyelash curler or anything for curling my eyes, eyelashes. I just use this thing only, and I think it works pretty well. So as you can see, this really defines your eyes, and I haven't used any eyelash curler or anything of that sort, and it works pretty well for me. The thing we're gonna have is a kind of flushed cheeks that is really important for this look. So we're gonna use this blush stick that I have of Swiss Beauty. Using this blush brush, and we're gonna make our cheeks pop. So I won't be contouring or anything for this look, but yeah, I will be highlighting. This is my Makeup Revolution palette, and this is like so old, and I love this one. Like, it has such good colors, such great colors to highlight. And since I am going for a warm look, so I'll be using this one. So with this tiny brush, I will be highlighting the inner corners of my eyes with this magical, guys. So the lipstick needs to be glossy, yes. And for this look to get completed, please don't go for matte lipstick or it's not going to look good. So I'll be using Naked Urban Decay lipstick, and well, it has this lipstick on one side which is quite glossy, and we also have the gloss on the other side. So that's why I'm going to apply this one, because it is just going to complete my entire look. But this lipstick is love. I love it. And since we need to make it a little bit of glossy, let's apply a little gloss in the center. Yeah. To finish my entire look, I will also show you how to accessorize and do your hair on this look. I won't be going for any neck piece, but I'm gonna wear these beautiful earrings, which will go great with this look. And I have created this tiny little bun on the side, and as you can see, this cute little clutcher. I have tied my hair using this, and well, that's it. That's how I have completed my look, and I hope you guys like it. And yes, a few more looks will be coming your way, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. You're gonna get all dressed up and look lovely and gorgeous this Diwali season. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, like it, and comment down below if you like this look.